Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through how to update a team member's profile. Begin by selecting the Workforce tab. Click the three-dot menu next to the user whose profile you want to update. Choose the Edit option. Use the drop-down menu to change the job role. If needed, update the name, email, and mobile number. Also edit the street address, city, province, and postal code. Click the option to reset the password if necessary. When you're done, make sure to save your changes. Changes made to the user profile have been updated. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back with more useful tutorials.